Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Dr. Sushil. How are you? कैसे हैं? That's good.
Sharing, screen sharing check कर लीजिए.
Sir, बस
आप स्क्रीन शेयर कर पा रहे हैं?
देखिए कि स्क्रीन शेयर हो रहा है.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Waste technology, yeah, department. Waste management techniques for sustainable development. Yes, sir.
Waste management techniques for the sustainable development.
Yes, sir. Visible quite clearly.
Right now I'm visible.
Yes, sir. You are also visible, sir. Your voice is also quite clear.
Okay, that's good.
Can we start?
So, just 2 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Wait for the 2 minutes.
अच्छा, participants.
Dr. Sushil. Dr. Sushil.
Yes, sir.
I'm audible right now?
Yes, sir. You are audible, sir.
Okay. So let us start. Or we are waiting for the participant.
Sir, I'm just dropping a text message in the group so that all the participants can join.
Okay. Near about the 19% are here.
Yes, sir,
right
yes.
now.
Actually, it was a break of 25 minutes now.
Then we can start right now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure.
Okay.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay.
Welcome to second day session 2 of the AICT sponsored faculty development program at AITH Kanpur. Dr. Ravi Singh Rajput is an articulate qualified faculty who is able to effectively communicate with students from diverse backgrounds or varying degrees of abilities. A committed and dedicated professional with a proven ability to teach, motivate, and direct students to maximum performance by encouraging a positive and energetic environment. Dr. Singh holds a PhD in chemistry with research interests in wastewater treatment, environmental chemistry, waste management technology development. He has authored many research and review articles, book chapters with reputed national as well as international publishers. Sir, over to you, Mike, over to you now.
Okay, thank you. Good morning to all of you, all the participants in this FDP. Thank you, Dr. Sushil, for such a nice introduction. Today in this FDP, we will discuss the issue of the waste management. I would like to thanks to organizing team, Dr. Manish, Dr. Sushil, and others, and director of the AITH for the organizing such kind of the FDP based on the waste technology, emerging strategies in the waste management solutions. It is this FDP is sponsored by the AICT 5-day sponsor program. As a resource person of the today's session, we will discuss about the world most serious issue, that is waste management. Actually, just I'm saying some few words. It's a very pleasure for the deliver a lecture after the Professor Vasudevan sir, Padma Shri awardee, as well as it's very tough for me a lecture on the waste technology. और ये तो मैं तो बहुत आपके जो ऑर्गेनाइजर्स हैं इनके लिए मैं बहुत थैंकफुल हूँ कि उन्होंने पद्म श्री अवार्डी के बाद में मेरा लेक्चर रखा है, लेकिन एज वेल एज मेरे लिए बहुत टफ टास्क है कि उनके डिलीवर लेक्चर होने के बाद में वर्ल्ड लेवल का लेक्चर डिलीवर होने के बाद में फिर वेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी में कुछ मेरे लिए रह जाता है. तो लेकिन फिर भी जस्ट आई विल ट्राई कि कुछ भी हम लोग जो वेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में भी डिस्कस करना है, तो मुझे नहीं लगता है कि अब कुछ रह गया होगा आफ्टर द डिलीवरिंग लेक्चर ऑफ द प्रोफेसर वासुदेवन सर. बट So let us start. Before starting the talk, I would like to some glimpses of the word scenario and think about that. First scene, first picture. See this picture and think about that. What is this? This is my world. This is scenario of the West. I will stop here. This lecture will be delivered on the blended mode, sometimes Hindi and as well as sometimes English. Basically, अगर हम देखें तो this is not a FDP. और एफडीपी मुझे नहीं लगता है कि एफडीपी में कोई किसी फैकल्टी को डेवलप करने की एज सच कोई रिक्वायरमेंट है। ये नाम केवल एफडीपी है, फैकल्टी डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम, बट इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द फैकल्टी। इट्स शुड बी, दिस इज अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम कि हम लोग चीजों से अवेयर हों एंड डिलीवर द लेक्चर टू द स्टूडेंट एंड स्टूडेंट शुड बी इन्फ्लुएंस विद दिस सिनेरियो। तो जितनी फैकल्टीज हैं, हमारा उन सभी फैकल्टीज से एक ये रिक्वेस्ट है कि हम लोग डेवलप करने के लिए नहीं, हम लोग जो सिनेरियो है उस सिनेरियो को साथ में आए, उस सिनेरियो को देखें और उस सिनेरियो से अपने जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनको हम थोड़ा सा अवेयर करें, उनको इन्फ्लुएंस बताएं इसके बारे में, टॉकिंग अबाउट द वेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी की क्या है, एक्चुअल वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट क्या है। और आने वाले टाइम में अगर आप देखेंगे द नंबर ऑफ द एक्सपर्ट्स हैज ऑलरेडी शेयर्ड द आइडियाज 2030 एंड 2050। जो भी आने वाला 2030 है, 2050 है, उस कंडीशन पर हमारी बहुत ही खराब पोजीशन होने वाली है अगर हम लोग अपना वेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी को, वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट को हम मैनेज नहीं करेंगे। दिस इज सम पिक्चर्स इन द स्क्रीन, on your screen, first picture and second one. This slide is also showing that. In the second picture, this one, इस पिक्चर में तो आप ये देखिएगा कि एक ओशियन है, वहां पर एक बर्ड है और उसको कुछ भी नहीं फीड करने के लिए मिला है, तो उसने एक पॉलीथीन प्लास्टिक को ही अपना फीड करने के लिए यूज कर रही है। अगर आप देखें द हाउस होल्ड प्लास्टिक, हाउस होल्ड वेस्ट जितना भी है, उस we are using the packaging wrappers of the plastic, near over 17% of the household waste. So, and third one is, this is garbage mountain at the Delhi. अभी तक हम लोग अपने बच्चों को माउंटेन से ही अवेयर कराते हैं, लेकिन राइट नाउ इन दिस जनरेशन हम अपने बच्चों को दिखा रहे हैं दिस इज ए गार्बेज माउंटेन, दिस इज ए गार्बेज माउंटेन, very serious issue in the Delhi, and the number of the garbage mountains are present in the India as well as the China as well as the US as well as and only the one country in the world, that is Sweden, where the garbage percentage is 0. That means all the garbage, all the waste are recycled. So let us start. What is the waste? Actually, we will discuss some time what is the waste. Already the number of the experts already explained the waste, type of waste and so on. So I will also define the waste and what is the criteria, how to manage it, and am I the waste producer? All things will be discussed in this session. So the management of the waste has been a major problem many years, and this problem is getting the bigger from time to time. Since the installation period of the country, there are many harmful effects on the environment. These wastes are very harmful to the environment, and thus it produces the air pollution, due to which many people are suffering from the respiratory problem, bronchitis and so on. One of the reason for the global warming is also waste. There are the many industries which are located near the river, ocean, and put these waste to these water bodies, and hence they produce water pollution. They do not realize that the disposal of the three harmful wastes, such as the chemicals, hazards, can lead the many diseases. In the order to the overcome these the problem, we have to follow the appropriate waste disposal methods. So we can say the इतना सारा जो हम लोगों का respiratory problems हो रही है, number of the जो diseases produce हो रही हैं, ये सब क्यों है? Simple, pollution and pollution and pollution. Hazard, non-hazard. How to define the hazard and non-hazard? केवल हम लोग केवल डिस्कस करते हैं, दिस इज नंबर ऑफ द डिजीज राइट नाउ. कोविड, कोविड कहां से आ गया? अगर देखें इट्स फॉर कोविड का अगर देखें तो इट्स जनरेट फ्रॉम द चाइना. क्यों? व्हाई द चाइना? फिश मार्केट. व्हाई द फिश मार्केट? If you seen, I will discuss in the next slide the number of the plastic waste producer in the world is the China. I will discuss in the next few slides. This one. Number of the rivers. इतनी सारी जो number of the rivers in the China float the number of the tons of the plastic like चेंजिंग रिवर, ये फ्लो कर रहा है 1469481 टन्स द प्लास्टिक. 1 2 3 4 5 5 and 6 लार्जेस्ट वर्ल्ड लार्जेस्ट रिवर्स के अंदर अगर आप देखें तो वहां पर प्लास्टिक का कैरियर है. एंड दीज प्लास्टिक्स आर गोइंग इनटू द ओशियन. हम अपना एनवायरनमेंट तो खराब कर ही रहे हैं, इकोसिस्टम भी खराब हो रहा है. क्यों इकोसिस्टम खराब हो रहा है? इसके लिए वी आर द रिस्पॉन्सिबल. सो आई विल डिस्कस इन द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. फर्स्ट वन, द मीनिंग ऑफ द वेस्ट. राइट नो द मीनिंग ऑफ द वेस्ट डिस्पोजल or the waste management is quite simple. This means the disposal of the material that is used, not emitted or usable. There are the service methods of the disposing of the waste properly, and they are not harmful for the environment, such as the recycling process, reuse of the useful parts from the discard substances, landfills, just like a mountain. I have already seen that. Landfills, combustion to burn for the waste product and convert them into the gaseous products. And a technology that is plasma gasification is a unique technique to use for the waste converts into the energy by using the plasma. The modular blockage of the waste to immense heat created by the plasma, which converts a non-cyclable waste into the energy. This is a technique I will discuss in the next slides. So, and the sixth point is waste minimization. It is also best way to cut the waste. हमको करना पड़ेगा. अगर हम वेस्ट कट नहीं करेंगे तो ये वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट नहीं प्रॉपर्ली हो पाएगा. और टाइम टू टाइम जैसे हम लोगों ने 2030 एंड 2050 में रहा है तो वो और भी क्रिटिकल कंडीशंस आएंगी आकर के. द way to avoid the plastic bags and use reusable products. These all methods can be useful only when we try to get them started our daily life. हमको स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा अपनी पर डे लाइफ में. हमको अपना वेस्ट का कट करना पड़ेगा. इफ यू आर यूजिंग द वेस्ट इन द लाइफ, सो इट शुड बी recycled, or we should be used biodegradable polymers and biodegradable wastes. If we want to do something for the global warming, then this is also a way to help. Current scenario in the metro cities, the cities are now struggling with the high construction problem and its impact on our immediate and the global environment. As a result, the environmental pollution has come to a dangerous situation. where our environment is facing on the interpretation emitting from the industries along with the solid and the liquid waste, apart from the running pesticides, that is hazard and non-hazard conditions. So if uh, in this slide, uh, we will discuss the origin. Just a bit. Yes. Something about the waste management. The waste management method will be easy to reduce the production of the waste. In this way, we that is through that is through in the landfill. You can recycle the old materials for the lack of the waste material and can repair bags, jars, broken pieces instead of buying a new ones. अगर हमको use कर रहे हैं तो उसको properly. And avoid using the disposable items such as the plastic, glasses, and the bags. Using the second-hand products and buying the products does not require much design. Why? They are producing the large waste. In the waste management, the large role that is a plastic waste. So plastic waste is present everywhere. There are some policies and operationals prepared by the government of the India for the waste management. In the September 2020, the solid waste policy was prepared, and it specify the duties and the responsibilities of the clean waste management for the cities of the India. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Just like Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. It was based on the report submitted to the Supreme Court on the March 1990 on the Committee for the Solid Waste Management in India. The plastic bags are used on a daily basis, and thus they are dumped in the most Indian landfills. अभी हम लोगों ने देखा हुआ था जो दिल्ली में जो आपका वेस्ट माउंटेन था, जो कि एक जो वेस्ट माउंटेन था, उस वेस्ट माउंटेन में नियर अबाउट 63% प्लास्टिक 63% प्लास्टिक है वहां पर. Most Indian landfills, and it dangerous for the environment. According to the policy, they provide a daily doorstep collection of the biodegradable waste for the composites, because in the India we needs manure to maintain the soil fertility. Apart from this, there is a campaign which was recently started in the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. It was launched by the Prime Minister Modi. About the 30 lakhs government employee and students from the different institutions has been already participated only for the, अगर देखें तो केवल और केवल वो फोटो सेशन के लिए था. एक्चुअल पोजीशन सबको ही पता है कि अगर हम अपने इंस्टीट्यूशंस के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, अगर अपने इंस्टीट्यूशन में भी अगर मैं देखता हूं तो वहां पर भी अगर केवल कोई भी चीज अगर है तो फोटो शूट करने के लिए तो हम अपना प्लान कर लेते हैं, लेकिन हम अपने जस्ट बगल से देख रहे हैं तो वहां पर बेस्ट है. चिप्स मैंने खाया हुआ है, वहीं पर ही. बिस्किट्स मैंने यूज किए हैं, रैपर मैंने वहीं डाल दिया है. वाटर बोतल लगा हुआ है, वाटर बोतल का मैंने एम्प्टी बोतल वहीं पर मैंने क्रैक करके डाल दिया है. तो ये केवल और केवल इन सब चीजों से मुझे अवेयर होना पड़ेगा और कोशिश तो ये करनी पड़ेगी कि हम एक बोतल लें, उसी एक ही बोतल को हम बार बार यूज करें, यानी कि हम रिसाइकलिंग कर सकते हैं, रीयूज कर सकते हैं, नॉट रिसाइकलिंग, रीयूज कर सकते हैं. तो इस तरीके से अगर ये सब कंडीशंस अगर हम अपने ऊपर इसको इम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे तो वहां पर एक इम्पैक्ट आपको मिलेगा आकर के, और एक ये पार्ट एक छोटा सा एक इनिशिएटिव होगा फॉर द वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट के लिए. So the origin of the waste, that is mining and agriculture, forestry, industry, household and construction demonstration, waste water treatment, the number of the sources, origins of the waste, mining, the waste rock, trailing, mine water, chemicals, and other such releasing. Agricultural waste, agricultural forestry, the pesticides, fertilizers, organics, plastic containers, and so on, etc., are generally producing from the agricultural forestry. Industries, the textile industries, plastic, chemicals, and nuclear waste also. Household, commercial, and government bodies. The number of the government bodies means number of the in the institutions. Municipal solid waste is major waste, and e-waste is also the construction, demolition, concrete, plastic, wooden, metal, glass, and so on. Wastewater treatment, sewage sludge, solid and chemical, and others. If uh, अगर हम देखते हैं इसमें एट इसको वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट, just please wait a minute. Dr. Sushil. Dr. Sushil,
Yes, sir.
my video is on or?
Sir, actually, you are not visible right now. Just
Oh,
from
right
this-
now?
Yes, sir. Now you are visible, sir.
हो लास्ट टाइम से यानी कि वो वीडियो मुझे लगा कि शायद खैर एनीवे
No, sir. You were visible on the video, but from like for the 30
ओह
30
सो
seconds, your video was off.
हो आई एम वेरी सॉरी राइट नाउ आई एम विजिबल
No, sir. Not now.
ओके just wait.
Actually, sir, your video is on, but you are not visible, I guess. Yes, sir.
डॉक्टर
Now,
सुशील
yes, sir. Now you are visible, sir, and your audio is also.
ओह ओके मुझे लगा कि शायद वो आ रहा होगा एनीवे खैर सो लेट अस स्टार्ट अगेन
Sure, sir.
Let us start again. The origin, I have already discussed the origin of the waste, and next the India at a glance the solid waste management. Actually, the annual waste annual waste of the India is near about the 62 million tons. The plastic waste in the 62 million tons, the plastic waste is also 5.6 million tons are producing. Right now, the biomedical waste is also 0.17. This data is already discussed in the number of the last experts, and I will again showing this data. The hazard waste 7.9 million tons is so large and so very dangerous hazard waste. And in the India, the generates estimated 1.7 million tons per annum of the e-waste. But this is main important issue, but its recycle is only 22 to 28%. And these e-waste producing hazard waste in the different forms. These are producing some radioactive impacts, some metals showing the hazardness. Some metals are showing some carcinogenic in nature. So e-waste is very hazard. It should be recycled properly. The waste generation in the India cities range near about the 200 gram to 600 gram per day. यानी अभी हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहा था कि we are waste producer. Everybody in the society, everybody is waste producer. सभी लोग waste produce कर रहे हैं. 200 ग्राम से लेकर के 600 ग्राम पर डे तक अगर हम वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, so you can सी कि कितने लोग हैं जो अगर हम 200 ग्राम भी अगर वेस्ट कर रहे हैं तो सब लोग मिल करके कितना वेस्ट जनरेट कर रहे होंगे। और उसमें आपका प्लास्टिक वेस्ट भी होगा, बायोमेडिकल वेस्ट भी होगा, हैजर्ड वेस्ट भी होगा, ई वेस्ट भी होगा एंड सो ऑन। और खासकर इसमें जो हम लोग जो यूज करते हैं डोमेस्टिक पर्पज से, वी आर यूजिंग द yes. So the only the about the 75 to 80% of the municipal waste collected, and only 22 to 28% of the waste is processed and treated. जो भी हमारा 75 to 80% of the municipal waste है वो collect तो मैंने कर लिया, but only 28% is treated, and that means the near about जितना भी stuff है, these are landfills, and these landfills are forming the mountains of the garbage. The waste generation will increase from the near order 62 million tons to about the 65 million tons in the 2030. All the waste management experts are all saying in 2030 and 2050 में अगर ये कंडीशन अगर है, सॉरी आज की जो सिनेरियो है, तो 2030 और 2050 में क्या कंडीशन होगी वो हम लोग इमेजिन ही कर सकते हैं। some experts also advise that कि हम we can use the waste converts into the energy. We can generate the near order 430 megawatt of the power from the 3289 TPD of the combustible waste, including the RDF. 1.3 million cubic metric of the biogas per day, or the 72 megawatt of the electricity from the biogas. The government of India, right now, the government of India has been started the biogas plants in the rural areas, and the government is giving the subsidies to the farmers, and in providing some facilities and for the production, for the establishment of the biogas plant. So we can support, and next one, our planet, this one, our planet is drawing in the plastic pollution. It's time for the change. इससे पहले लेक्चर में डॉक्टर वासुदेवन has already discussed the plastic management, and the government of India has awarded the Padma Shri award, and plastic man of the India. So we will discuss the plastic. Some very interesting data here for the production of the plastic waste. The world's, अगर आप देखिएगा in this slide, the world's worst offenders for the plastic pollution. And we know that plastic is very dangerous for the ecosystem right now. The metric tons of the plastic packaging produced annually, and in this slide, the Coca-Cola producing 2.9 million plastics bottles. So who are the worst offender for the world for the plastic packaging production and creating the pollution? The reports name the Coca-Cola as the company with the biggest plastic footprint on the planet, with a 2.9 million metric tons of the plastic packaging production per year. Its biggest competitor, the PepsiCo, second largest, with a 2.3 million, with a 2.3, is a third worst offender with a 1.7 million metric tons of the plastic packaging. The 5 of the 8 companies with the biggest plastic footprint are the Americans with the Nestle, Danone, Unilever, and so on. While the plastic has the many valuable uses, we have become addicted to the single use of the disposable plastic with the severe environment consequences. Around the world, 1 million plastic drinking bottles are purchased every minute. This is very interesting data. Per minute, 1 million plastic drinking bottles are purchased every minute, while the 5 trillion single-use plastic bags are used worldwide every year. 5 trillion single-use plastic. In a total, half of the all plastic produced in the design to be used only once and then throw away. Use kiya, hata diya. The plastic waste is now so universal in the natural environment that scientists have been suggested and they could serve as geological indicator Anthropocene era. So how did we get here? So in the next slide, this one, we are seeing some other worrying trends in the since 1915. I will discuss in the next slide. This slide, top 5 plastic waste producing states. Now in India, the Maharashtra 469098 tons per annum. This data is 2015. Right now, it will be increases to and Gujarat 269, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, and Karnataka. But only 22% is recycled. Near about around 60% of the India's plastic waste is recycled right now. The total plastic waste generated every year, 15,000 tons. And plastic use, just I have already discussed the chips and confectionery bags like this. Chips and confectionery bags, 19% of plastic is using this sector. Food bags near about 5%, garbage bags near about 8%, straws 7%, retailers and bags the 7%, packaging the 8%, total bottle cap and lid that is the 12%. And other the 20%. The economics, just behind the economics, कुछ है इसके पीछे भी कुछ हम क्यों इसको प्लास्टिक को हम यूज नहीं करते हैं कि द मैनी कि हम प्लास्टिक को क्यों यूज करते हैं, इसके पीछे भी एक इकोनॉमिक्स है. इफ वी सी द इकोनॉमिक्स ऑफ द प्लास्टिक बैग्स, फॉर द कंज्यूमर ऑफ द प्लास्टिक बैग्स, which includes the shopkeepers and the buyers, enforcing a ban on the plastic is expensive and market makes it difficult for them to sustain their profits. A bag of the non-biodegradable plastic with a thickness of 20 to 30 microns and containing the 50 to 70 pieces or 100 pieces of the polythene bags comes at a cost 20 rupees. 20 रुपए में मैंने अच्छा खासा एक पैकेज मुझे बैग मिल गया जिसमें कि नियर अबाउट 100 पीसेस ऑफ द पॉलीथीन. हम मैं सब्जी लेने जाता हूँ और भी, और वो शॉपकीपर को भी चीप पड़ा, दैट इज 20 रुपीज. उस 20 रुपीज उसने एक पूरा अपना पूरा दिन क्रॉस कर दिया. दिस इज इकोनॉमिक्स. इफ वी आर गोइंग for the biodegradable polymers, that means plastic bags, paper bags. These paper bags are very costing, coming of the 80 to 100 for the pack of 30 to 40 pieces plastic bags. Now the book seller, the shopkeepers are charging the charge for the bag 5 rupees, 10 rupees. A bag of the non-biodegradable plastic which thickness of near about the 5 to 6 microns and hence not preferred by the small shopkeepers. Small shopkeeper preferred cheaper the plastic bags as it does not interfere with their the cost and hinder their profit margins. So we are using the plastic bags. Government of India, government, state government ने बिल्कुल totally ban कर रखा है. Number of the states has already fully banned the plastic, but after the some months of some days, it will start again. कहीं कहीं जगह पे आप देखिएगा कि कई जगह गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ने अपने लखनऊ में अगर आप देखें तो उन्होंने, लखनऊ के कानपुर सभी जगह अगर आप देखें तो उन्होंने प्लास्टिक बैग्स को टोटली बैन किया था. एक हफ्ते तक रहता है, 1 वीक तक वो बैन रहता है, 2 वीक्स तक बैन रहता है, फिर धीरे धीरे करके निकलता है. नाउ इट विल ओपन फॉर ऑल, सबके लिए फिर वो ओपन रहता है. तो इसलिए अगर हमको खुद ही अवेयर हो जाते हैं कि वी विल नॉट फॉर द यूज फॉर द प्लास्टिक बैग्स, देन it is awareness. This is awareness. So everybody should be aware for the waste. तभी जाकर के चीजें कंट्रोल होंगी. अदरवाइज कंडीशन ये होगी या करके हम लोग माउंटेन्स की जगह फिर गार्बेज माउंटेन्स देखेंगे. So let us start going in the next slide. In this slide, this is a ocean. और इस ओशन, समुद्र के अंदर, इन दिस ओशन द नंबर ऑफ द प्लास्टिक्स आर डंप्ड. सब डंप हो गया करके, इतना सारा गार्बेज है. एंड दिस द वेस्ट, द प्लास्टिक बोटल्स एंड सम अदर द प्लास्टिक मटेरियल्स आर प्रेजेंट. द रिवर्स कैरिंग द प्लास्टिक वेस्ट फ्रॉम द डीप इनलैंड टू द सी, मेकिंग देम द मेजर कंट्रीब्यूटर टू ओशन पोल्यूशन. हम लोग फर्दर इसी को ही डिस्कस करते हैं. इन द रिवर्स, इन द रिवर they carry the plastic waste from the deep inland to the sea, making them the major contributors to ocean pollution. And a strategic and a strategic of the 8 million tons of the plastic end up in the world's the ocean every year. How does it get there? A lot of it comes from the world's river, which serves the direct conduit of the traces from the world cities to the marine environment. These 10 rivers alone carry more than 90% of the plastic waste that ends up in the ocean. This is very from the 1950s. From the 1950s to the 70s, only a small amount of the plastic was produced. So plastic waste was relatively manageable. After the 90s, the plastic waste generation had more than the triples in the 2 decades. In the early 2000s, our output of the plastic waste rose more in the single decade that it had in the previous 40 years. Today, we produces about the 300 million tons of the plastic waste every year. That's nearly equivalent to the weight of the entire human population. These 10 rivers, I have already in the start में हमने आपसे डिस्कस किया हुआ था कि कुछ नदियां हैं, and these all the rivers are the world's largest rivers. In this river, the plastic is floating. Changqing, this is river. Changjiang, Yangtze River, China. Its length approx 6,500 kilometers in the China. In this river, 1.4 billion tons. Indus River, the Ladakh, 164,332 tons. Approx this plastic is flowed. Hangi, Yellow River, China. Hai, China. Nile, Africa. Brahmaputra and Gangas in India, 72 tons approximately. Pearl River in China, 52,000 tons per. Amur, Russia and China, 38. Niger, Africa, 35 tons, 35,000 tons, 35,000 tons, and Mekong, the China. The number of the rivers belongs to China. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of 10, the 6 rivers from the China. So, rivers carry the plastic waste from the deep inland to the sea, making them the major contributors of the ocean pollution. The stretching, the 8 million tons of the plastic end up in the world's ocean every year. How does it get there? A lot of it's come from the world's river, which serves the direct conduit of trace from the world cities to the marine environment. Think about, if current trends continue, our ocean could contain more than plastic than the fish by 2050, like this. अगर यही जो समुद्र की जो कंडीशन है, जो ओशन की जो कंडीशन है, तो वहां पर फिशेस, अगर अभी कुछ पिक्स थे मेरे पास में, वो अभी आपके साथ में शेयर नहीं किया है, तो जो फिशेस भी हैं, जो भी वहां पे फिश हैं, उन फिश से ज्यादा मेरे पास में वहां पे प्लास्टिक होगा. थिंक अबाउट दिस कि क्या होना चाहिए. Next, this is some peaks. These single-use plastic products are everywhere. For the many of us, we have become integral to our daily lives. The PET bottles, polyethylene tetraphthalate, water bottles, dispensing the container, biscuit tray, HDP, shampoo bottles, milk, all these bottles, all these the single use plastics हम यूज करते हैं, यूज करने के बाद में उसको हम फेंक देते हैं, और फेंकने के बाद में वो एक अपना डंप हो जाता है, और इट क्रिएट्स द प्लास्टिक वेस्ट. फिर क्या होगा, इसका प्रॉपर रिसाइकलिंग अगर हो गया, अगर ये 4 आवर पर है, रिसाइकिल अगर हो गया है, तब तो ठीक है, अदरवाइज क्रिएशन द LDP and HDP polythenes, bags, trays, and containers, flood packaging and film, and triple P, double P, the potato chips bags. अगर आप देखिएगा तो जो पॉलीप्रोपाइलीन की जितने भी पैकेजिंग हैं, वो चाहे आपका पोटैटो चिप्स का बैग हो या आपका कोई भी चीज अगर है, तो इसका सब गार्बेज भी हमारे पास में बहुत अब कलेक्ट होना शुरू हो गया है. नियर अबाउट just have some data. Some skip is the data here. Approximately 28% of double P polypropylene plastics right now playing an important role here. Anyway, this is single-use plastic. EPS, PS, and PP. PP means polypropylene, EPS expanded polystyrene, protective packaging, hot drinkers and cutlers, plates, and so on. Only the 9% of the plastic waste ever produced, however, has been recycled. About the 12% has been treated, while the rest 79% has accumulated in the landfills. Landfills like dumps or the natural environment. Cigarette butts, cigarette, जो आप हम लोग जो सिगरेट जो यूज करते हैं, cigarette butts whose the filter contain the tiny plastic fiber were the most common type of the plastic waste found in the environment in the recent global survey. So some just I'm seeing some data. Just a wait. Where's the wait? Plastic. Hmm. Some data is missing from this slide. Just to some data is missing here. The drinking bottles, cap, food and wrappers, grocery bags, dings, lids, and straw. They are all are the common items to producing the waste. Many of us use these product every every day without even thinking about where they might end up. If we see the Mm, mhm. this 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 is China's Changjiang River, which flows the past Shanghai, delivers near about 1.5 million tons of the plastic waste to the Yellow Sea. देखिए आपको रिवर लग रहा है तो ये सब चीजें और बहुत ही टफ है कि हाउ टू मैनेज कैसे मैनेज इसके लिए हम जितने भी कंट्रीज हैं उनको भी अपना एक प्रॉपर प्लान आउट करना पड़ेगा और हम लोगों को भी इसमें कंट्रीब्यूशन थोड़ा सा करना पड़ेगा तभी ये सब चीजें फर्दर कंट्रोल भी हो सकती है अदरवाइज it is a very dangerous for the environment as well as the health issues and some eco system of the planet. So number of this is just some selling features of the solid waste material rule 2016. ये सब rules तो बस केवल कहने के लिए ही हैं. The hotels and restaurants should segregate the biodegradable waste and set up a system of the collection of the ensure that such food waste is utilized for the composting biomethanation. ठीक है कहाँ होता है जितना भी वेस्ट पार्ट है फूड का उसको हम लोग क्या काम करते हैं उसको कंपोज करना चाहिए बायोमेथिनेशन के थ्रू सो the resident welfare association get the communities within the era the SQM and so on the biodegradable waste should be processed treated and the disposal of the through the composting of the biomethanation within the permission as for the possible street vendors should keep the suitable containers for the storage of the waste generated and deposit such waste at waste storage depot in the container or the vehicle as notified by the local authorities. This is so let us start in the next slide e-waste e-waste है क्या चीज और e-waste अगर आप देखें तो e-waste को अगर हम लोगों ने कंट्रोल नहीं किया तो ये बहुत ही डेंजरस होगा ये आपको दिखाई नहीं देता है लेकिन ये आपका एनवायरनमेंट इकोसिस्टम के लिए बहुत ज्यादा डेंजरस है e-waste. E-waste is a waste from the electric and electronics equipment such as end of the life, the computers, phones and home appliances. E-waste is generally classified as a hazard and a non-hazard because it contains toxic components and only the 20% of e-waste was recycled to the appropriate channel. If we talk about India, the fifth largest producer of the e-waste in the world, around 1.8 million metric ton of the e-waste was generated in the country in the 2016. As per global e-waste monitor 2017, a report released in the December 2017, the world generated 44 million, approximately 44 million metric ton of the e-waste in 2016. Of this, only the 20% was recycled to the appropriate channel. If we talk about India, the fifth largest producer of the e-waste in the world. In Asia, the India occupies the second spot after China when it comes to e-waste generation, as per a joint study titled Electronic Waste Management in India, conducted by the ASSOCHAM and C Kinetics on the World Environment Day in the 2016. India's waste from old computers will jump 500% in the 2020 from what it was in the 2007. So very high. 2007. The figures highlighted how the Delhi NCR is fast turning into the world's waste dumping yard, with the national capital along the getting the near about 85% of the e-waste. About 85% of the e-waste generated in the developed world, shipment from the developed countries are brought in through both the certified and routes. Also, as per the ASSOCHAM Council on the Climate Change and the Environment, e-waste in the Delhi NCR region is growing at the about 25%. So what are they doing? The biggest bottleneck is recycling. Recycling is a solution. We are not able to effectively recycle, as there are only a handful of recycling using in the country, says the founder of a Karo, and number of the experts are advise the Gurugram the best in the responsibility organization, which help in companies as Apple, Dell, and Lenovo. Responsibilities manage the e-waste. As per the 2017, the parliament reports that the 7 states that are the largest e-waste generator in the India are the Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Delhi, Karnataka, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, and Punjab. These states contribute 70% of the total e-waste generated in the country. The top 2 e-waste generating cities are the Mumbai, Delhi, and Bengaluru, Chennai, Kolkata, Ahmedabad, and Hyderabad, Pune, and Surat, and Nagpur. So this is e-waste for the some municipal solid waste near about food is so wasting near about 14.6% food wasting. And this is top municipal solid waste generator annually. India is largest solid waste producer. In the 2050, it produces the largest 543 million tons. सबसे आगे फिर अगर हम देखें तो ये लास्ट 4 to 5 कंट्रीज में अगर आप देखते हैं तो 2016 estimated at 277 million tons in India, and after that India, US, and China. China is producing less solid waste, municipal solid waste, producing municipal solid waste, plus and Brazil and Indonesia. The top 5 waste recycling countries: Germany, near order 56.1% since 2016. Germany has had the highest recycling rate in the world, with a 56.1% of all the waste is produced last year being recycled. After that, the Austria 53.8%, South Korea 53.7%, Wales 52.2%, Switzerland 49.7%. And Sweden is only the country where the 100% recycling is right now. No garbage is spent. This is plastic waste generation and uncollected waste, plastic waste, 40% uncollected plastic waste, 60% प्लास्टिक वेस्ट से कलेक्टेड, तो 40% आपका रह गया है, उसको फिर आप कैसे करेंगे मैनेज? प्रॉब्लम. Some a hazard waste is waste with the properties that make it dangerous for the capable and having the harmful impact on the human health, environment, and so on. The type of hazards spent the solvent, all the chemicals, some chemicals, and radioactive items, radioactive articles are also producing the hazardness in the nature. So agriculture waste is a waste that produced as a result of the various agricultural operations. It includes and other waste from poultry and houses, slaughtering house, harvest waste, and fertilizer runoff field pesticides that enter into the water, air, and the soil and salts it. So waste, some now some techniques. This is also medical waste, and biomedical waste like this. The top 5 biomedical waste generators in the state. Karnataka, waste 62,000 kilogram per day. Uttar Pradesh, near 44,000. And Maharashtra 40,000, Kerala 32,000, and West Bengal, all over India, the 4,05,000. It is waste, and it disposal only approximately 72% dispose of. The biomedical waste consists of the anatomy and so on, already discussed. Various methods of the waste disposal. 3 recycle. Most interesting. And in the last, the various methods of the waste disposal. The various methods for the waste management is the landfills. It is managed by the throwing the daily garbage in the landfills. This is the most common method used today. Recovery and recycling. Through this method, the disposable items are removed for the next use, such as energy change, unstable heat, fuels, electricity, combustible, or in this community solid waste is burned at a high temperature to change the equally in the gaseous products or residue. And the plasma gasification, the plasma is basically power charged gas. In this method, the molecule bindings of the waste is broken due to the intense the heat container. Energy from the waste in this method, the non-recyclable waste substance are converted into the useful electricity, heat, and fuel through the various processes. Making some compost. This is natural process of the biodegradation. It transfers kitchen plants and garden waste into the nutrition food the plants. The waste minimization. The waste way is to minimize the construction of the waste products by repairing the broken protection from the streets. It is important that we are let's follow the 3 R's. It's a hierarchy. Okay? Reduce, the reuse, and recycle. So the number of the methods, biological roots methods is the most common acceptable process. Composite biomethanation, like this, recycling, bioprocessing, most acceptable composite biomethanation, chemical process not popular for the MSW, municipal solid waste, and physiochemical process also not suitable for the MSW process, is very costing. So the biological process is most acceptable, composite and biomethanation. The government of India also in enhancing the methane biogas plants. This is biogasification, and should be last about this last slide. Uh, Plasma gasification. It is emerging technology which can process the landfill waste to the exact extract common cycle, or converts the carbon-based material into the fuel. It can from the zero waste produced renewable fuel. A hazard waste, the study is the near order the gasification preparation. So by but in the perfect the study estimate the near order percent lakhs of the ton. So it's a near order, but the how to TDS spend the solvent waste and electronic plastic, doxing, bearing, chlorinated and wood press hazard, coal and CCP and but so the last in the landfills throwing the recovery, the recycling, the landfills. Plaza and per except with the method of the cup. So let us it's last from the end, and this is last slide. The waste is only waste if we waste it, William. So we should aware for the management of the thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Dr. Sushil?
Yes, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yes. Now you are audible. Thank you. Thank you,
sir, for delivering such a knowledgeful and inspiring talk on the different origins and different types of waste generated and their effective and sustainable management strategies. Dear participants, if you have any questions related to the latest presentation, all the participants may open their mics to ask questions directly to Professor Singh.
Dr. Sushil.
Yes, sir.
Your voice is not clear right now.
Is it clear now?
Dear
participants, you all may, if any of the participants have any of the questions related to the presentation of Dr. Rajput, may open their mics and can ask questions directly to him.
So,
or if any of the participants is unable to ask the question by opening the mic, may type in the chat box. I'll ask the question on behalf of that participant.
हेलो सर, मेरा नाम अर्पित शुक्ला है सर।
हाँ
सर, मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि हजार्डस वेस्ट क्या है और इसको हम कैसे प्रॉपर्टी जो है सर मतलब ट्रीट करने के बाद डंप कर सकते हैं।
Basically, hazardous just like harmful for the human being. This is hazard. कोई भी चीज अगर आपके लिए harmful है for the ecosystem and skill, just like chemicals, just we are using the chemicals in the industries and so on. So these are the hazard. radioactive particles, some e-waste. आप जस्ट लाइक अगर आपने इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में अगर आपने कोई भी आपने इक्विपमेंट यूज कर रहे हैं तो पीसीबी प्लेट्स आपने यूज किया हुआ है तो उसमें जो भी आपकी कोटिंग्स वगैरह हैं आर्सेनिक वगैरह की कोटिंग है, दिस ऑल द हैजर्ड, ये आपके रखा टाइम रहेगा। रेडियो एक्टिविटीज कोई भी मटेरियल अगर है तो वो अपना रेडिएशन करेगा तो वो हैजर्ड हो गया करके। इसके लिए प्रॉपर हमको एक प्लांट्स रहते हैं, बेंगलोर में एक प्लांट है जो कि आपका ई वेस्ट को में जितना भी हैजर्ड मटेरियल है उसको वो न्यूट्रलाइज करते हैं, और न्यूट्रलाइज करने के बाद में वो फिर फर्दर हम लोग उसको रीयूज कर सकते हैं आकर के। अभी अपने इंडिया में केवल हैदराबाद बेंगलोर में ही वो प्लांट है जहाँ पर ई वेस्ट का जो भी हैज कंटेंट है उसको हम वहां से यूज कर सकते हैं। और अगर आपको करना भी है तो उसके लिए थोड़ा सा प्रॉपर टेक्निकल वे में, और खासकर जो अभी आई हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस द प्लाज्मा गैसिफिकेशन, प्लाज्मा इन द प्लाज्मा गैसिफिकेशन वी dumped all type of the hazard and non-hazard materials.
क्या सर प्लाज्मा गैसिफिकेशन प्रोजेक्ट को सर स्मॉल उसमें बनाया जा सकता है क्या
This
सर?
is this is थोड़े sometimes a costly project. This is some costly project, and right now in the India only the 2 to 3 places are running right now.
Thank you, sir.
May I means ask one question, if you permit? Vinay
Yes,
Kumar
sure.
Sachan from
Sure.
CSM University.
Sure, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Sushil. Just one query with Dr. Singh. That
Yes, sir.
is there any proper policy or provision for collecting electronic waste in India, such that we have for wet means garbage and dry solid collection kind of things and biological waste? Is there any policy for electronic waste collection also?
बेसिकली द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स पॉलिसी में डॉक्टर साहब मैं अगर आपको बताऊं तो ई वेस्ट एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक पॉलिसीज के लिए अभी गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिपार्टमेंट था उसने अभी एक वेबिनार किया था, तो उसमें मैंने भी अभी उसको ज्वाइन किया हुआ था। तो उसमें उन लोगों ने अपना ये प्लान किया हुआ है कि वो स्टेट को अपनी पॉलिसीज बनाने के लिए उन्होंने अपने कमेटी राउंड किया हुआ है जो भी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स कम्युनिकेशन एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एक्सपर्ट्स थे। तो उसमें उन्होंने ये बोला हुआ है कि जितना भी आपका गार्बेज है, ई गार्बेज है, उस ई गार्बेज को आप एक जगह कलेक्ट करने के बाद में उसमें आप पॉलिसीज को बनाकर, और वो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया इस पर अभी बेसिकली वो वर्क कर रही है। अभी यूपी स्टेट में मैं बताऊं, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ऑफ यूपी इन्होंने भी अपना एक कुछ एक कमेटी वगैरह डिसाइड किया है जिसपे कि अपना वो प्लान करने के लिए कर रहे हैं कि आप वो डिस्ट्रिक्ट वाइज वो कलेक्शन के लिए इन्होंने अपना जो एनजीओस हैं और इन्होंने जो PPP सेक्टर पे उन्होंने कलेक्शन के लिए अपना प्लान किया हुआ है कि उसको कलेक्ट करेंगे और कलेक्ट करने के बाद में एक सेंट्रलाइज वे में लेकर के जाएंगे। अगर वहां से उसको वो अपना अलग करेंगे हैजर्ड एंड नॉन हैजर्ड जो भी पोजीशन हो, उन्होंने प्राइवेट सेक्टर को ही काम फिलहाल उन्होंने दे के रखा हुआ है जो कि कलेक्शन का काम अभी चल रहा है।
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for sparing some of your precious time for this faculty development program. I thank you again.
Thank you, Dr. Sushil, and thanks for the organizing of this FDP ITS. Thank you very much for giving the opportunity. Thank you. Thank you,
Dear
sir.
participants, now we will have a lunch break till 3 p.m. The session 3 of the day will start sharp at 3 p.m. Therefore, I request you all the participants to join the session again at from 2:45 p.m. onwards. This session will be taken by Dr. Vishnu from Southern Federal University, Russia.